Hey, what's going on YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. This is Matt. In this video, I'm going to be going over Infinity processing system, okay? So where you can make up to $300 a day and even more than that by simply posting ads on social media, okay? And also you could do what I'm doing by making videos on YouTube as well. So it's a full online marketing course by Adriana Gallegos, and I'll show you some proof coming up in the video as well. And I'm going to be going over the course in general. Okay, so you get your own page. Okay, get your own website. All right, so step one, all you have to do is get started. Join one of the levels to get access to your products. Step two, post on social media. And then step three, get paid. Okay, so these are all the different levels. All right, so the starter level is $50, a one-time $25 admin website fee. Okay, you get 30 marketing ads, bonus image ads. Okay, you get winning mindset formula, 7-day access plan. You get the 6-figure closing script, Facebook marketing, and 30 Facebook groups. Okay, and it's only a one-time $50 fee. There's no monthly fees, so that's another good thing about it. Okay. The elite level, which I joined at, is $150, one-time $25 admin website fee. Okay, so you'll be able to earn at the $150 level and $50 level. Okay, so you get 100 pre-written ads. You get the YouTube mastery course. Get everything in the previous level, plus a little bit more YouTube mastery and an Instagram marketing strategy. Okay, you will be able to earn up to $300 on the pro level. So each of these levels, you get a website with a $25 admin fee. Okay, so that does not change. You get the Craigslist marketing strategy, 100 plus Facebook groups to market in, how to create a 6-figure income sales funnel. If you join me, you'll get my bonus, which is a sales funnel plus a 30-day email follow-up. Well, you'll get a 10-day with me, but on any level. So, but the pro level on this, you'll get the 30-day email follow-up to close your sales on autopilot. Okay. You get TikTok marketing strategy. Okay. You get access to our VIP training, live chat weekly. Okay. By joining at the pro level. All right. Now we're going to go over into the proof group. Okay. To show you that people are making money with this system. Okay. We have Felicia Neeson. She made $50 by joining. Okay. And this is her again. She did go ahead and make $500 in the week. And here's different proof of that. All right. This is February 2nd. Okay, this is back in January 25th. She made $150. And then February 1st, she made another $50. Okay. So this is proof that people are making money within the group. And this is another person, they made $300. So it is quite doable. So if you are ready to get started with me, go ahead and click the link below and see you on the inside. Have a good one.